beautiful people, how's it going? I hope you're all doing really, really well. It is the full moon tonight. It is the 20th of October. I am super behind on all my unboxings. I've had 2 out of 3 poorly kids this week. Yeah, it's been a week. So I want to sit down now, relax a little bit, and open a box that I know is going to be bloody amazing. It is Witch Casket. Does it say it actually anywhere on there? I don't think it does say it on there. But I know it's Witch Casket because of the packaging. I pay for this box myself. I can't remember how much it is because I'm shit. I'm an absolute mess. Yeah, I can't remember. I'll put it on the screen. But I'm very excited to open it. This is only the second one I've ever had. The first one was amazing. So let's just jump in. All the kids are in bed. And I'm hoping that no one wakes up whilst I do this. And my hair's different. You may not have, I think this is only like the 3rd video I've done with it. I went full Cruella and then I tried to my friend who did it is a hairdresser and she said, oh, just use purple shampoo on your blonde side. And I did, and it's made it go lilac a little bit. So we've got some yellow and some lilac, but I still fucking love it. So, super excited. So let's jump in. Okay, so it says Witch Casket, House of Witchery, October 2021. I'm asking my mum to get me Witch Casket as my birthday present because it's a subscription, so I'm very excited. So it says, our most anticipated casket of the year is here. October's Witch Casket is all about house witchery. We hope the contents will encourage you to make your home a more magical space and ensure it feels blessed and protected by magic. Please read through this pamphlet so you can familiarise yourself with this month's items and our specially selected suppliers. We so appreciate you tagging your enchanting and magical posts using the hashtag WitchCasket that helps us to find and share them. We notice every single one of them and I'm forever grateful for the time and love you put into those. The love and feedback you've given us recently has really helped us through the challenges of running Witch Casket while working so hard to ensure that your caskets are the best that they can be and that your Witch Casket experience is not negatively impacted by the struggles caused by the pandemic and Brexit. And we want you to know how loved and treasured you are. We are now working hard on the November caskets and this is one we are excited about. We think you'll love it. Until next time, be well, Deb and Ella. So, it looks like this. And I'll just grab things and as I grab them, I'll look in the book and tell you about them. So the first thing I've got is an absolutely beautiful print, which will go on the wall behind me. I don't know if you can see, I've got lots of little prints up. What am I doing there? I'm wedged on something. So that will go up there. I think this is called the Cozy Portrait art print by Plum Tree Illustration. I think that's it. Yeah. We're so happy to be able to collaborate once more with such an amazing artist. We think this month's print is simply bewitching. And we're so happy she created this exclusive colourway just for us. Anyone I can tag on Instagram, I'll tag down below. Because it's always nice when you're featured in a box to get tagged. So this is a magical protection pouch kit. Let's have a look. Protection pouch ritual kit. Encased within the black envelope is everything you need to create a magical protection pouch. Dandelion root, marjoram, burlap pouch and smoky quartz. So let's have a little look. I've just put all of my crystals in the garden to charge. So we've got the instructions with a cute little pumpkin on the back. We've got our little pouch. We've got which one are you? Let me see. Marjoram and dandelion root in little bags, and then we've got a smoky quartz in here. Lovely. I will put that all back in, and then I will do that after. Sorry, Ben's texting me from the shop. I will do that tonight, and then I can charge the crystal as well. Oh my god, there's so much in here, look. I've got Witch's Brew. Oh my goodness, that is amazing. Look at that. It's a little tea caddy, I think. That is so freaking cute. I love that. Whatever your magical brew of choice, keep it fresh and add some enchantment to your kitchen with our exclusive Witch's Brew tin. I love that. I actually have decaf tea bags, and Ben has we have a tea, coffee and sugar thing, and his tea bags go in that one, and then I've just got like a random jar at the back with mine in, so I'm going to put my decaf ones in there. I've got a protection floor wash kit. It sounds like I'm going to have to do housework, which I do not enjoy. Where are you? Protection floor wash blend contains a Witch Casket exclusive blend of hawthorn leaves and rosemary. Full instructions for you to create a magical floor wash. Let's have a little look. So in here we've got a blend. And it says take the hawthorn leaves and rosemary and add them to a pan of simmering water. Allow them to simmer for a few minutes and turn the stove off. Let this sit until cool. Strain and use the herb infused water to wash your floors. Wash towards the door, which removes negativity from your home. Same as when you sweep, you can sweep away the negativity. I'm probably going to try and use that in my living room actually, just because one of my kittens keeps weeing on the floor, which is not fun. We've got some Witch Casket Heart Healing Witch's Brew. I have just had heart surgery, so hopefully this can help. Where are you? I am 3.5 weeks past heart surgery, so Heart Healing Witch's Brew, cleansing green tea and heart healing apple combined to make this enchanting and tasty Witch's Brew. That sounds bloody delicious. Brew with intent and drink mindfully. I will do. Love that. I've got a scroll. I don't want to break it. I always worry I'm going to rip these. Oh my goodness, I literally cannot undo this. Oh, I think I've got it. Please don't rip. Please don't rip. Please don't rip. I really wish that it was just like with a little bit of string around it rather than a sticker, because I'm going to rip this. Right. House Witchery, simple ways to add magic to your home. So it's like a print, and it says Witch's Bells. The ringing of bells has long been used to clear away stagnant, unwanted energy from your home. Witch's bells are designed to hang by your door and ring whenever anyone enters, ensuring whoever is paying you a visit doesn't bring negative energy. Cleansing your home, like with smoke cleansing or to the placement of crystals. Floor washes, having crystals around your home to protect your space. Witch's balls. A witch ball is a hollow sphere traditionally made of glass which is hung in the home to ward off evil spirits, negative energy, hexes and ill fortune. It says bring the magical energies into your space. Items that you have foraged on your trip to the woods or the beach can be useful in your crafts. Can be used in spells, rituals, charm bags, witches' bowls. Pot plants, succulents can help to create a beautiful and meditative space. I do love plants. I have a lot of plants in my house. I've had to move quite a lot of them upstairs though recently because of the 3 kittens. Essential oils and aura sprays. So lots of lovely ways to enhance your home with magic. And this is just really pretty, so I'll probably put that in a frame and put it on my wall. Oh, and there's a sign that says protected by magic. I love that. That's awesome. I'm going to hang that when you first come into my house, so you can see that when you first come in. It says hang a sign to show you live in a magical home and that it is protected. My kids will love that as well. I've got a little broom. I think I got one of these the other day. It's nearly identical. So I got one of these, a magic broomstick in a different box the other day. This one is slightly bigger. And I think this one is made, yeah, this one's made like on a bit of like dowel rod. But this one is made on a stick, which I love. So it says an altar besom free gift. We know that we've all been excited for our October Caspit, so we included this free gift to show you how grateful we are for your support. A symbol of banishing and cleansing our exclusive. Broom can be used to metaphorically sweep away negative energy from your altar before you start your spell work. The ritual broom can also be used to direct your energy and cast protective circles. So I will put this down here. I'm making like a Samhain altar down here, and that is going to go on there as well. We have got a beautiful brooch. How old am I? A pin. Good God. A pin. Skull and moon pin. We gave a little nod to spooky season this month and created the bewitching little skull and moon pin. I love that. I love skulls. I have them all over my house. I have tattoos of them and they just make me happy. We have got a pentacle cinnamon wax melt by Safi B. Oh, that smells lovely. And it's got the imprint, it says Witch Casket, and it's got the pentacle on it, and it says made exclusively for our subscribers by Safi B. These wax melts are produced with 100% natural essential oils, high quality soy wax, and allow the magical properties of cinnamon to drift through your home and welcome abundance, success and good fortune. That's lovely. I have got a Carnelian tumbled stone. Carnelian is a stabilising stone which calms anger, encourages harmony and raises self-esteem. Believed to promote courage, Carnelian can help you feel empowered and overcome difficulties. That is beautiful. I have a couple of little tiny ones, but this is bigger than the one that I have. I will put this outside to charge tonight with my other crystals. Put it on here so I don't forget. What are you? Fine dark vegan chocolate. Get in my face. Trick or treat Witch Casket vegan chocolates. Be sure to rummage through your eco packaging peanuts to find your Halloween and Samhain treats. I'm just going to eat it now because I'm freaking starving and I haven't had any dinner. Let's have a look. Oh, dark chocolate is like my jam. Yes. Oh my goodness. Incense. Where are you? Invoke the protecting energy of dragon's blood with our protection incense. Light the incense and affirm negative energy leave this space, positivity take its place. I just need that in my whole life. I just feel so surrounded by negative energy. I actually did, going off on a random tangent, I did a my first proper spell last week, and I basically wrote on a bay leaf, cast away anyone in my life who it's like a negative energy bringer, because I feel like I've been just crushed with negative energy recently, and to pull back people who bring positivity and light. And 2 days afterwards something happened. I'm not going to go into the details, but something happened which felt like a release of negativity, and then literally 3 hours later I bumped into my old best friend and we hadn't seen each other in ages, and she just hugged me and I just cried, and it was amazing. And yeah, my other half, he completely respects my witchy beliefs and stuff, but he's always a bit like, and I told him about this and he was like, that is fucking weird. But yeah, it was really, really magical, and I messaged my friend about it, the one who I hadn't seen, who hugged me. I messaged her that night and told her what had happened, and she was like, what a beautiful thing to share, and it was just really lovely. I'm gonna cry, don't. I'm telling you, don't. It's me fucking talking about it. And then, there's another chocolate. And then I've got, oh, stop, I made myself cry. Witch's bells. So we've got the ring of the bells has long been used to clear stagnant energy. These are going to be hung near my front door. I absolutely love that. Oh, make myself, I'm so fucking emotional, it's ridiculous. Those are amazing. They are going to go, I'm not going to put them on my front door just because the baby naps, but I'll put them, then our house, you come in the front door and you're in a hallway, and then there's 2 doors either side that go into the house, but 90% of people go through the living room, so I'll put them on the outside of the living room door so it can wang away the negative energy. I absolutely love that. I think I prefer this box to last month, and I'm probably going to say that every single month. Let me know what you guys think. It really, really does make my heart happy doing these kind of videos, and the comments from you guys and the support is just, it's just absolutely incredible. So yeah, thank you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon. Bye.